Hi there, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and today we're just going to hang out around the house, and I'm going to let you guys have a look at what my world is like from day to day. So buckle in, hold on, it's going to be a ride. What do you want now, Tabby? Tabby, what do you want? Are you going to show me what you want? All right, show me. Come on, show me. Well, what do you want under there? There's nothing under there. Come on, show me what you want. Well, I don't know what this means, Tabby. What do you want? You want to snuggle? Do you want up? You want up? Is that what you want? All right, hold on. All right, come on. You want up? Tabby, do you want up? Is that what you want? You want up? All right. You want to snuggle? Oh, my camera's upside down. Completely upside down. Oh, well, I don't know if you can see me or not. Anyway, Tabby likes to have a nice after dinner snuggle, so we're gonna go out and find the chair, because apparently, yeah, do we want to go sit down? All right, we're gonna go have our little after dinner snuggle. Oh no, you want up? All right. All right, all right, all right. Yeah. Time for snuggle time. Yeah, snuggle time. Such a goofy cat.
Yes, Tabby, you're still on film.
She's a little diva, isn't she? She's like, turn your face away. Don't look at her, just look at me. I'm the pretty one. Isn't that right, Tabby?
Huh?
You're hilarious.
What? Does that make sense to you, Sharon?
Toby, do what you're told.
Oh, I get a lot of support there, didn't I? Toby, do what you're told. I'm getting them.
Okay, so be careful when you do that, because
Do what?
burp them. Are you going to burp them for me, or are you going to hold the camera while I burp them?
Why would I burp them?
They need to be burped.
What, are they babies?
Yeah. Do you want to do it, or do you want me to do it? Door open.
How come it's baked on?
Because I had it on for taco shells.
Do you know, after you're done, this little red thing there, it says stop. You know, you push that and it quicks bacon.
It does.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
The oven goes off. And it's like, it's a miracle.
So weird.
I know. And I found out that a little elf doesn't come and turn it off all the time.
He doesn't.
No.
Oh.
What am I supposed to frickin' do here?
Okay, so you just have to like open it. Do you know how to open it? No. You push this, Out. Push it here. Here, hold this for a second.
Well, go ahead and do it then.
Okay, so...
Why do you push it out?
Because that's how you open it. And did you hear that little pop? That's all you have to
She
do.
was afraid of. She was afraid the thing was going to explode on her.
Not only that, she's probably afraid it might smell.
You know you're videotaping your hands, right?
Can you get fingerprints that way? Does that make you people crazy? You're gonna have to edit that shit. Did you?
Okay, so do you want to try it with that one?
What are you pushing these?
Yeah, you just push that out to pop it open. And actually, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.
Well then.
So I probably could have done it.
David, there's a reason. There's a reason why she asked you for help. It's to make you feel wanted.
I don't need to feel that wanted.
That's
You go out there and look at the
exactly.
yard and you can tell how much I'm wanted.
Are you tired?
Am I tired? I just moved half a yard, or I mean, what, 2 dump truck fulls of gravel?
Are you tired?
No, I'm ready to go out and run the marathon. No, just right after I have, drinks. Your mother and you are going to drive me freaking nuts.
It's our job, honey. It's our job.
That's your job.
That's what we're here for. That's why God sent us to you. So
Well,
that...
I'm not talking to him no more.
But he loves you.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he
He's
does.
sitting up there saying, listen, there's something that pisses me off about you, and this is what you got to do.
No.
You got to live with those two.
You gotta talk to him a lot because ask him to give you grace. Don't ask him to give you patience.
I think that's the
You
problem.
already asked for that, and look what you got.
You got me.
I got patience and calm. Not.
I can't make your sunspot come out. Well, I'm sorry, but I can't do it. I don't make the sun show up. I know you think I do, but I do not. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out a little bit in my crazy world. We do have a lot of fun around here, and I really appreciate you stopping by. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And hey, so anyway, Friday, June 19th is my birthday, and I'm going to try and go live. I'm having some difficulty with my camera right now, the one that's attached to my computer, but I'm hoping to get that fixed by then so I'm able to actually go live. The plan is 3 p.m. Pacific time, so if you're able to, pop on in and say hello and wish me a happy birthday. Hope to see you then. Bye now.